Hey guys, and welcome to this video. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to buy Waec scratch card online. So before I post it, I'll be sure if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for art and collaborations via the description of this video. So let's proceed. So now head over to the description of this video, then tap on the link, okay, the Waec scratch card, the link, okay, you see this link over here, www.loginremita.net, okay, tap on the link in the description of this video, okay, tap on it. So after tapping on it, you'll be brought to this page, okay. So now you just need to, the amount is 4,000 naira, the currency is naira. Just input your payer's name. Let me just say Ezekiel, for example. Your phone number, input your phone number, okay. Start from the second digit of your phone number. So your phone number is 070, start from 70581399993. So in total it will be 10 digits, okay, instead of 11. This 234 automatically covers for the first 0. So input your email address, okay. Let me say this is my email address. Then we input it again to confirm. Then tap on I'm not a robot. Now complete this captcha verification, then tap on submit. So now it says select card or USD bank, okay. Now select which method you are using to pay, okay. Service charge 100 now, making it 4,001. You can select card or bank transfer, naira, USD, whatsoever method which is best to you, okay. So you can select USD, okay, if USD is cool with you, but me, I prefer card in whatever I do online. So input your card number, input your expiring date, input your CVV, then tap on pay. Let me just, for example, now I input my card details, okay. Input your CVV, then tap on pay, okay. After tapping on pay, now if you are using card, they'll send you an OTP. You just need to verify the OTP and the amount to be deducted from your account. Then after completing the payment, your pin will actually be displayed or whatsoever, something like, or sent to you to your phone number. So that's how you buy scratch card on, or you buy Waec scratch card online. Also, like our advice also on this remitter site, you just need to also try and create an account on this remitter site, okay. On this remitter, just head over to the remitter.net, okay. So just try signing up for an account, okay. Why I recommend this, in case like there's any issues, I have an account, there will be history or whatsoever, okay. Just create an account. I recommend that. So guys, that's how to buy Waec scratch card online. So before I conclude, I appreciate once again if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for us and collaborations at the description of this video. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and God bless you. Peace.